All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So brush. Brush. Oops. Brush. Perfect. Look at that. Brush. Brush. Yeah. Brush. A tool with fibres. Oh, change that. Fibres. So like hairs. So like all these fibres. To apply paint. Let's try and get a picture of paint. Yeah, paint. There we are. Perfect. Paint. Liquid. Liquids. So let's say water, for example. Water. Water. Oops. Or pastes. Like a paste. To a surface. A surface. A place. Surface. 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 Yeah. So I need a brush. Yeah, so we always use a big brush. She needs to use the smaller brush. He thought he had a larger brush. So I thought we had a larger brush, but no. Yeah. They only use the smaller brushes for the details. It should be painted with a long brush. That is the best brush to use. A long brush. That's the best brush to use. Not a short brush. Yeah. Makes sense. So, they have all the brushes. So, the artists have all the brushes that they will need. Yeah. They have enough brushes. Enough. No more. No thank you. We have enough. Yeah. I bought a new brush. Yeah. So I bought a new brush. Because the old one was worn out. Broken. Old. Yeah. How cool is that? She's using the brush on her hair. Let's try and get a picture. A brush on her hair. Using the brush on her hair, yeah. Yeah. On her hair. So I don't use a brush on my hair. It is too short. See, my hair is too short for a brush. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So, they might have a spare brush there. So, they might have a spare brush. It depends. So, they always have a spare brush because it is useful. It's useful, so they always have a spare brush. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, so brush. How cool is that? So, can you use brush in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.